If you want to add and manage rental samples, you need to go to the Archive section. Follow the step-by-step instructions. Select Fashion Management in the menu. In the Main Menu tab, click the Rental button. Click the Archive button. The Archive functionality is very similar to the Sample Manager, but differs in that the Archive sample list only contains items that you have transferred from the main sample list for rental or added directly as new sample to the Archive list. To add a sample to the Archive, click the Create Sample button. You have the option to add a new sample to the Archive, as well as add an existing item from your inventory. To add a sample from inventory to the Archive, click the Add from Inventory button. A window will appear with all your samples. You can use the quick search filters to quickly find the sample you want by designer, color, type, fabric, and season. At the bottom of the list, you can choose how many samples to display per page. To move a sample from the inventory to the Archive, click the Select button. The fields you filled in when adding the sample will be automatically filled in. If you wish, you can edit or add information about the sample. In order for the sample to appear in the Archive sample list, in the fields below you must select and enable the function item you want to be designated for fitting fee and designated for rental. Click the Create button to confirm. You can manage the list of filters for quickly searching for samples in the Archive yourself. To manage the filters, click the Grid Fields button. If desired, disable the filters you do not want to appear in the filter list. Click the Apply button to confirm. Select the desired criteria in the filters, after which only those samples that match the fields you selected will remain from the full list of samples. To clear selected filters and return to the full list, click the Clear All Filters button. Click the Select button to view the sample menu. To view and edit sample details, select View and Edit Details. Make changes to the desired fields and click the Update button to confirm. Click the Select button to view the sample menu. If you want to print the sample barcode, click the Print Barcode Labels button. To print the barcode, click the Print button. Select the desired printer settings and click the Print button to print. Click the Select button to view the sample menu. If you have multiple items of an item added to the sample list and want to easily add them, click the Create Duplicate button. The window that appears will automatically fill in the fields that you filled in the sample description. If the duplicate description is different, edit the desired fields and click the Create button to confirm. Click the Select button to view the sample menu. To delete a sample, click the Delete button. Click the Yes button to confirm.